Thank you for your order and choosing the EagerLED P10 Outdoor 800x1200mm EA1600SP LED screen. This is an extremely important cooperation for us. We are deeply honored to provide you with professional LED display solutions, especially for the needs around sports venues. First of all, the EA1600SP series, which we are proud of, has a number of professional features designed to provide an excellent visual experience for sports venues. This LED display uses a 90-degree upright support frame, which allows it to provide clear and realistic images at different viewing angles. At the same time, the soft mask protection and high protection chassis panel design make the EA1600SP series LED display excellent in durability and safety. This design can not only effectively protect the LED screen from the external environment, but also provide long-term stable operation guarantee for the equipment. The unique design of the two-way maintenance mode greatly reduces maintenance costs. You can assemble and disassemble LED panels easily and quickly without consuming a lot of time and resources. This design takes into account the actual needs of customers and provides you with a more convenient maintenance and repair method. We would like to sincerely thank you for your trust in EagerLED and your full confidence in our products. Your support is an inexhaustible driving force for our company to move forward, and it is also the best recognition of our continuous pursuit of excellence. We know that you choose our products not only to get an LED display, but also to get an excellent experience and service. In future cooperation, we will continue to work hard to improve product quality and continuously innovate technology to ensure that you get the best results during use. We look forward to creating more successful projects with you. Thank you again for your choice. We will continue to provide you with excellent products and services.